In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to read box plots in Power BI. Start by opening Power BI on your desktop and navigate to a report where you have data you want to explore. We'll add a box plot visual, connect it to your fields, tune a few formatting options, and then interpret what the chart is telling you. On the right side of your screen, look at the visualizations pane. At the bottom of the icons, click the three dots, then choose Get More Visuals. In the search bar, type box and whisker. From the results, select Box and Whisker Chart by MAQ Software. You'll see a blue check mark indicating it's Microsoft certified. Click Add. Back in your report, click the new Box and Whisker icon to drop an empty chart on the canvas and resize it so you can see details clearly as we work. Next, let's wire up the data. Drag your region field to the axis or category well. This creates one box for each region so you can compare them side by side. Then drag your sales field into the value well. This tells the visual what numbers to summarize for each region. If your fields have slightly different names in your model, just use the ones that represent categories and the numeric measure you want to analyze. To make the chart easier to read, open the format pane using the paintbrush icon. You can switch the orientation to vertical or horizontal. Horizontal often helps if your region names are long. If you'd like to show the average explicitly, toggle mean on. Remember, the mean is the arithmetic average, which can be pulled up or down by extreme values, while the median is the middle value and is shown as a line inside each box. If your dataset includes individual points, enable dot settings and apply jitter to spread them slightly so they don't overlap, making the distribution more visible. Now let's interpret the results. Look at the overall height of each box. A taller box indicates more variability within that region's sales, meaning the numbers swing wider from one case to another. A shorter box suggests sales are more consistent. Focus on the median line inside each box. If one region's median sits higher than another's, that region typically achieves higher sales, even if both have similar spreads. Finally, scan for dots floating well above the upper whisker. Those are outliers, unusually high transactions that can inflate the average, but don't reflect everyday performance. They're helpful to spot exceptional wins without letting them distort your understanding of typical results. That's it. You've added the visual, connected your data, improved readability, and learned how to interpret box height, the median line, and outliers. Thanks for watching.